This is the Husqvarna Aspire R4, and it has been designed specifically for the Aussie backyard. It will mow up to and around 400 square meters, which is perfect for most Aussie backyards. On initial setup of your R4 auto mower, what you need to do actually is set your cutting height, and it's pretty simple to do. So you can see on the underneath here, the spinning disc with the blades is in here, and it's actually a setting we need to just manually unscrew and change over. So there are tools in here, hidden under the bonnet, as I like to say. You can see this one has been used for a few months now. So again, another good chance to clean out the grass and the debris. But there's a little tool here which you can use, and you simply unscrew these screws in here and then reset to whatever cutting height you like. So once you've got the last screw out, this whole disc lifts up, then you can see, and it's numbered 1, 2, 3. So what you then need to do is align these with whichever height number you would like. So my ideal setting is number 2. It's not too bowling ball green short, and it's not too jungle long. It's somewhere in the middle, which is a great number. So you'll line up the numbers there with those, and you just lower this on. You can see from above, and that's perfect. And then you just simply re-screw the screws back in using your little tool, and that's how you manually adjust the cutting height.